Okay, so I saw Normie do a fixing the Japan alarm, making it more scary. I was terrified once he fixed it, and I was thinking, what if I do something like that? And don't worry, Normie's credit is in the description, and the person who gave me the EAS alarm, which is EAS alarm YouTube, and we'll give the American EAS alarm a listen. Yeah, that's not that scary. I'm gonna make it more scarier myself. So, what would cause a natural... What would America put out an alarm for? Yeah, a tornado. Yeah, a tornado. So we're going to download a tornado sound, and we're going to put it inside the America alarm. And I might even put like a flood or something. Here, I'll just do a tornado for now, because there was just like a tornado earlier. So I'll be back once I find a good tornado noise. Okay, so I have added tornado sounds. Not tornado. I couldn't find like an actual tornado sound, but I did find a tornado siren. So I put that into the alarm, and this is how it turned out. Me out myself because of the tornado siren, and we just experienced like 2 tornadoes not a while back, so this kind of freaks me out, but we're making it more creepy. Okay, so I didn't find out how to make it slower, but I'm going to ask my parents for advice. What sounds make you scared? That's what I'm going to ask them, and that's what's probably going to work. Alright, so it's been like an hour, and I finally found a noise. Here it is. This is all I'm going to do to the USA alarm. I hope America, here, you know what, I will just play it for you, and then give me your opinion on whether or not you want to use this as your new alarm or not. Here you go. How do you like it? America, start using this as your alarm. This was hard. This was